Welcome to ThePetWorldOrg, your one-stop destination for all things furry, fabulous and downright adorable. Whether you're a seasoned pet parent or just dipping your toes into the wild and wonderful world of four-legged companions, you've come to the right place. And today, folks, we're rolling out the red carpet for a breed that's sure to steal your heart faster than you can say fetch. None other than the charming, charismatic and downright irresistible Yorkshire Terriers. Let's take a trip back in time, way back to the bustling streets of 19th century England, where the seeds of Yorkshire Terrier history were first sown. Picture this, the Industrial Revolution in full swing, with workers flocking to Yorkshire in search of opportunity and prosperity. Among them were Scottish immigrants, armed not just with dreams of a better life, but with their trusty rat-catching companions in tow. These four-legged heroes, known then as Clydesdale Terriers or Paisley Terriers, were the unsung champions of the working class, tasked with keeping the vermin at bay in the bustling mills and factories of the era. But it wasn't long before these plucky pups caught the eye of the upper crust, with their charming demeanour and undeniable charisma earning them a place in the hearts of high society. And thus, the Yorkshire Terrier as we know it was born, a breed with humble beginnings, destined for greatness. Prepare to be dazzled by the petite yet majestic stature of the Yorkshire Terrier. Standing proudly at a mere 8 to 9 inches tall and weighing in at a featherlight of 4 to 6 pounds, these pint-sized pooches may be small in stature, but they more than make up for it with their larger-than-life personalities. With their dainty muzzles, soulful almond-shaped eyes, and luxurious coats flowing like rivers of spun gold, Yorkshire Terriers are the epitome of canine elegance. But don't let their delicate appearance fool you. Beneath those silky locks lies a heart as brave as a lion, ready to take on the world with gusto. So whether they're strutting their stuff on the sidewalk or lounging like royalty on the couch, one thing's for sure, Yorkshire Terriers are the definition of style and grace in a compact, cuddly package. Hold on to your hats, because when it comes to personality, Yorkshire Terriers are in a league of their own. These spunky little pups may be small in size, but they've got hearts as big as the Yorkshire Dales themselves, with a confidence that borders on audacity and a charm that's impossible to resist. Yorkshire Terriers are the life of the party wherever they go. But don't let their playful antics fool you. Beneath that mischievous exterior lies a loyal and loving companion, always ready to shower their human counterparts with affection and devotion. Whether they're bounding through the backyard or snuggling up for a cozy cuddle session, Yorkshire Terriers are guaranteed to bring a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. So buckle up, because with these charismatic canines by your side, every day is an adventure worth barking about. Let's talk healthcare, because a happy, healthy Yorkshire Terrier is a treasure beyond measure. These little dynamos may be small in stature, but they've got big hearts and plenty of love to give. And with proper care and attention, they can live long and fulfilling lives of 12 to 15 years or more. But like all breeds, Yorkshire Terriers have their share of health concerns to keep in mind, from dental issues to patella luxation. That's why regular veterinary checkups are an absolute must, along with a balanced diet, plenty of exercise and a little TLC. So whether it's brushing those pearly whites or keeping an eye out for any signs of trouble, remember, a healthy Yorkie is a happy Yorkie, and with a little bit of know-how and a whole lot of love, you'll be well equipped to keep your furry friend feeling their best for years to come. Let's talk nutrition, because a healthy pup is a happy pup. Dietary needs to keep them feeling their best. From high-quality dry food to the occasional tasty treat, finding the perfect balance is key to keeping those tails wagging and those noses sniffing. And remember, just like us, every pup is different. So don't be afraid to experiment and tailor their diet to suit their tastes and needs. With a little bit of know-how and a whole lot of love, you'll be well on your way to raising a happy, healthy Yorkshire Terrier that's ready to take on the world, one kibble at a time. Now let's talk turkey, or should I say terriers. When it comes to bringing a Yorkshire Terrier into your home, there are a few things to consider, starting with the price tag. While these pint-sized pooches may not break the bank, they're certainly not chump change either. with prices ranging from $600 to $2,500, depending on factors like pedigree and breeder reputation. But fear not, aspiring pet parents. There are plenty of options out there for those looking to adopt rather than shop. From rescue organisations dedicated to finding forever homes for Yorkshire Terriers in need to reputable breeders committed to upholding ethical standards, there's no shortage of avenues to explore. So whether you're in the market for a pedigreed pup or a lovable rescue, rest assured that with a little bit of research and a whole lot of love, you'll find the perfect Yorkshire Terrier to welcome into your heart and home. And there you have it, folks, the final bow on our Yorkshire Terrier extravaganza. But before we bid adieu, we've got a little something to share with you. You see, we're not just your run-of-the-mill pet channel. Oh no, we're a scrappy team of animal enthusiasts with big dreams and an even bigger love for all things furry and fabulous. And while we may be just a tiny blip on the YouTube radar right now, we're dreaming of a day when we'll be wiggling our way into your hearts with content that's as entertaining as it is informative. So, if you've enjoyed our Yorkshire Terrier adventure and want to see more from us in the future, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a moment of ThePetWorldOrg magic. Together, we can make this little corner of the internet a whole lot brighter, one paw print at a time. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride, and until next time, keep wagging those tails and spreading the love here at ThePetWorldOrg.